A wonderful day at JJB with lots of improvements and 3S. Kieran fixing what bugged him with before and after. There was an oil leak under the press brake, but now it's premium. Also adding some wheels onto the new glove trolley, which makes it mobile and flexible to move anywhere we want in the future. Really good. Chris made a fantastic box, has all the parts needed for marking the floor. Great job. Great job Kieran with a standard location for tech screws. And just about this improvement, so I always struggle to look for the tech screws for the last 2 years, and it's fantastic now we've got a standard home for them so we easily can get them. But it is kind of non-standard and it goes against the racking which is above it, but that's okay. I'd like to say any improvement is better than no improvement, so great job Kieran, thank you. Fantastic improvement Stuart, you've got a standard location for your sweeper, the press table and a standard location for the spot welder and press. It's a really great job, fantastic. And a standard location for your pen, saving you 3 steps every time. Charlie with a before and after, setting a standard location for your mel packs and the tape machine, great job. Also Patrick with before and after, leaving it better than you found it, let's keep it that way. And also great job, thank you to the office crew for having a quick tidy in the yard, clearing away some old junk. We've still got a long way to go. Phil with a standard place for the packing boxes, and also Sławek with a standard location for the bin. You made the chiller on the Laser 5 look premium before and after. Even though it's new, it does gather some dust quite quickly, but it looks premium now. Great job, let's keep it that way. It looks better than new, and that's exactly what we need. Nice work Peter with a standard location for the dustpan. Exactly what we need. We know where it is, what it is, and where it goes, and where we can find it. Also fantastic photos from Josh showing our new product. Great job everyone, thank you very much.